وأقول في القرآن ما جاءت به آياته فهو الكريم المنزل وأقول قال الله جل جلاله والمصطفى الهادي ولا أتأول.
الحمد لله رب العالمين له الحمد الحسن والثناء الجميل وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له يقول الحق وهو يهدي السبيل وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله صلى الله عليه وعلى آله وأصحابه والتابعين لهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين أما بعد. Inshallah ta'ala, in this episode I want to talk about in our series أحكام طهارة المرأة, I want to speak about the fiqhi ruling that the scholars speak about, which is نقض الشعر المشدود. A woman has plaited her hair, braided, okay, and either after sexual intercourse or after menstruation, in order to do ghusl, does the woman have to open her braids, open her plaits, and wash the entire hair like that? Okay, a woman has plaited her hair or she braided her hair and she's either had a sexual intercourse with her spouse and now she needs to do ghusl, right? Or her hayd has ended, her menstruation or postnatal bleeding has ended. Does she have to open her hair? Okay, this is what I want to talk about here. What is required, inshallah ta'ala, is when it comes to washing the hair, whether it's plaited and braided or not, or whether it's even open, what is required to be, what needs to be known is the following thing. The first thing is you have to wash the head. The water has to reach the head, the scalp has to reach it. It's a must. The bishra, the head, the water has to reach it. The water has to reach that. It doesn't matter whether your hair is plaited or not. If a woman opens the braids, she opens her hair, but the water doesn't reach the head, she hasn't washed her head. That's a must. Okay? And this is based on the hadith of Hudhayfah ibn al-Yaman radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, that he said to his daughter, he said to her, خللي شعرك بالماء كي لا يخلله النار. So based on the statement of Hudhayfah ibn al-Yaman, Ibn Battal mentions in his sharh of Sahih al-Bukhari al-ijma', a unanimous agreement that the scalp, the head has to be washed. Okay? And then it's obligatory to wash it. As for the hair now, the hair of the woman, whether it be janaba or whether it even be hayd, it's not obligatory for her to wash it. Whether it's ghusl al-janaba or whether it's ghusl al-hayd, it's not obligatory. And this is the view that was taken by ulama al-madahib al-arba'a. And the hadith that indicates this is the hadith that has been transmitted from the Prophet ﷺ in hadithi Salama radiyallahu ta'ala anha, that she said, Ya Rasulullah, inni imra'atun ashuddu sha'ra ra'si. She said, O Messenger of Allah, I'm a woman who ties her hair. أَفَأَنْقُضُهُ لِغَسْلِ الْجَنَابَةِ. Shall I open my hair for when I'm doing janaba? قَالَ لَا. The Prophet said, he said, no. إِنَّمَا يَكْفِيكِ. What is sufficient for you to do is أَن تَحْثِي عَلَى رَأْسِكَ ثَلَاثَ حَثَيَاتٍ. You just take 3 water like this with your hand and just pour it over your head like that 3 times. Okay, and also it's been narrated from Ibn Abi Shaybah and Nafi' Mawla ibn Umar that he said, Inna Nisa ibn Umar. Nafi' said that Ibn Umar, his women and his daughters and his wives, ما كنا ينقضن, they never used to open رؤوسهن, their hair. They never used to open their hair, unplait it or open the braids. They never. من غسل الحيض, from the menstruation. The Hanafiya and the Malikiya and even the Shafi'iyya and the Hanabila fi qawlin, that's what they took. So what I want to say is this indicates, brothers and sisters, أن الشعر لا ينقض. The hair, the woman doesn't have to open it. لا في الحيض ولا في الجنابة. She doesn't have to open her hair. What's a condition is that the water just needs to reach the head. Okay? Anything I might have said that was wrong or incorrect is from me, shaitan, and Allah and His Messenger are both free from it. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you enjoy our content on YouTube, then we'd like to invite you to join our exclusive online live classes that are taught on Zoom. We have 3 classes every single week, a beginner's class, an intermediate class, and an advanced class. All 3 classes are taught in English, and if you sign up to the program and you can't make the classes live, then you'll also be sent a recording of the lecture after it takes place. If this is something that interests you and you'd like to sign up, then you need to sign up to Tier 2 of our Patreon page by visiting www.patreon.com/AMAU.